good light, but this is how it's looking right now, fresh. It obviously needs to dry. I need to wipe this off because that was an accident. As you can see, I didn't do any of like my roots area. But this is how it looks. It looks really pretty. I love the color. I just decided to end up doing the whole thing because I didn't like the way the half look was looking, and I didn't really do it right. Like I kind of did like a little too much, so then I ended up needing to do the whole thing. But that's, I'm gonna just wipe that off with water. Oh no, that was like a good shot of the back, but it's really cute, freshly done. So we'll see how it looks once it dries all the way, like tomorrow, like see how it looks tomorrow. But I really like it. It's cute. Alright y'all, so we're on day 2 of the color, and this is what it's looking like. No, I'm sorry, this is day 3. We're on day 3. We're on day 3. So it's still very like vibrant, you know, on day 3. I am gonna do like a week, like show you guys in a week what it's looking like. But as far as it like being like completely and utterly dry to the touch, it's not. So like when I touch it, or like when I was putting it like in a ponytail, like it still gets on my fingers. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's like kind of like, it's a little flaky or something. I don't know. I'll have to try like a different brand next time, I think, because, well, I'm gonna just finish using, because I have bought an orange color too, so I'm gonna use that one as well. But like when I want to try it next time, I'm gonna try a different brand, because I got this off Amazon. And then I seen in my Loc group a girl had posted like that she found like a black owned company that does it as well. So I'm gonna check them out. But yeah, my hair is like I don't know how to explain. It's like sticky, not like sticky, but like it feels weird. Like right there. Yeah, my hair feels stiff. I don't like it. I don't like how stiff my hair feels. So like I said, we'll see it in a week, but as of right now, it's like a 2-star for me. I mean, it's cute, like you can see the color, but like it's like how my hair is feeling, like how my hair feels like all stiff. I don't like that. My hair never feels that way. So maybe it'll be something good to like just put on like your tips or something, or maybe on a couple of locks. But yeah, we'll see how it looks in a week. Hey y'all, so I said that I would show you guys a week, you know, with the stuff in, and this is what it's looking like. Yeah, so, and it's still coming off, but anyways, okay, so I know that this is like temporary and it's supposed to be like a wax and all that stuff, but I still give it a 2-star. The only reason I'm giving it even 2 stars because the color was really pretty, and you know, application process super easy, but I don't like the way my locks feel with it on, and my scalp has been super itchy. My scalp has not been itchy in months. Like I took care of that problem. I stopped using the gel, so my hair, you know, my scalp hadn't been itchy, and my scalp has gone berserk. And I had just washed my hair right before I put that on, and my hair is already like, look at that. Like I've been like itching like crazy. So I have really sensitive skin. So I definitely shouldn't have got something off of Amazon that's from China, that's made in China. Like seriously, I know better. So I definitely won't be buying again. If you have sensitive skin, I would suggest researching another brand that's probably more natural. Like I said, I'm going to check out this this company. I'll link it down below, that I want to check out next. But yeah, so this is it. This is how I colored my hair. This is the result 1 week later. And I give it 2 stars, and I won't be buying again. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any suggestions on you know, the little hair coloring, you know, with the wax, temporary, comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.